In this video, I want to show you how you can easily set up your sales tax functions within PremiumWebCart, and I want to show you how we have multiple ways in which you can do this to provide the ultimate in flexibility and power for your system. We have two different places that you can set up your sales tax. One is at a cart level, and the other is at a product level. So you can set up at a cart level and have it act as the master setup for everything that you add into your cart. But if you run into a situation where you have specific products that are being sold in specific areas, and you need to account for these in a specific way, we also give you the opportunity to override the cart settings at a product level. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can set up your cart level sales tax. We'll come into Products, down to Set Up Taxes. And the first thing you'll see is that you have two areas here in which you can label how you want your order form to look. Most people are going to leave it at sales tax, and a lot of people at a country level will use VAT. But you can change this to be anything you want, such as GST, etc. And now down below, you'll see that you can set up the sales tax in three different ways: by country, by state, and by zip code. And this is all set up as a hierarchy. So for example, if you set up your country at 5%, but then you have a state or a list of states that are at different rates, such as 6.5%, 7%, 7.2%, etc., you can set up each state that you need to override the country setting. So you might have 45 states that use the country level and 5 states that use state level. Now taking it a step further, you may have some county sales tax or city sales tax, and you'll need to add in specific zip codes, and what that will do is actually override the state level. So as you come down the list, it starts at the country level, then it goes to the state level, then it goes to the zip code level. You can choose to use all three of these, or you can choose just one of them. It's completely up to you. So to begin with, you can choose whether you want to have it set up at a country level or not. In this case, I'm not going to set it up at a country level because I'm only concerned about specific states in which I'm going to charge sales tax. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to change this to yes. I'm going to select a state and I'm going to put in the specific sales tax. Now you can see down here I've set up Illinois at a sales tax rate of 6.5%. Now, no matter what I would have put in at a country level, every order that comes in from Illinois would be charged at 6.5%. Now add another state. And again, Minnesota's been added to the list at 8%, and this will override anything that you put in at a country level. But let's say, for example, we get a customer in Illinois, but they're buying from Chicago. And we know that Chicago has a higher sales tax rate, so we're going to come in and actually designate it by zip code so that we can charge a higher rate. So what I'm going to do is put this in at 10.25%. And now you'll see that anytime somebody enters an order, and if they live in 60060, they will be charged a higher rate at 10.25%. You can do this manually, or you can mass upload by using a spreadsheet. All you have to do is enter your data into a CSV format, upload it, and it's all done automatically. Now the last step is save the tax setup, and you're done. In this part of the video, I want to show you how you can further refine your sales tax setup on a product-by-product basis. So all you have to do is come in and select your product to edit it, and then scroll down to this tab, Optional Values. And now what you can do is further set up your sales tax. The first thing you have to decide is whether you even want to charge sales tax for this particular product. If you choose no, then it does not matter what you put into your cart setup, it will not charge any sales tax for this product. But if you choose yes, now this product will be charged sales tax on the order form. But for some reason, if you think that you need to change the state tax rate for this particular product, you can do it right here. If you need to change the country tax rate, you can do it right here as well. And what this is going to do is override your cart-wide settings. So if you do nothing here, If you leave this all at the default, your sales tax will be charged at the default level. But if you go ahead and put something in this field, now what you're going to do is charge sales tax at this specific rate, and this rate will override your cart-wide rate. So these are two different ways that you can set up your products and set up your sales tax, and this gives you the ultimate flexibility and allows you to set up your sales tax and VAT, etc. in any fashion that you choose. Remember that your personal cart advisor is always just one phone call away. If you have any questions about how to do this operation, just call your personal cart advisor today and they'll help you through every step of this operation.